Hi guys, thanks to all your requests, I'm actually sharing my personal life today in a vlog, which I never do, but for all my beauty hacks, check out my channel and my website for free secrets, live sessions with me, and a $10 ebook for beauty secrets I don't share on my channel. Not only am I in the beautiful Costa Rica, and long story short, wouldn't turn on, nothing seemed to be working. I've literally had it sitting in rice for almost 2 hours now, and on the charger while it was sitting in rice, on the charger without it in rice. I'm going to tuck it into the rice and still just, I have nothing else I can do with it, so might as well. Hi guys, so in today's video I wanted to do something totally different than my usual videos and show you a little inside look on my trip to Costa Rica. I went for a wedding and it was so beautiful, so peaceful, so I thought I would give you guys a little taste of what it was like. Now, if you've never been to Costa Rica, you wouldn't know, like I didn't. It takes a few hours to get to your final destination, especially if you're going by a beach, so we had to rent a car and drive there. Now, if you want to fast forward to the fun stuff like my beach day, me talking to you, the room tour, the wedding, fun stuff like that, I'll leave all the timestamps down below. Most of it is around the 3-minute and 5-minute mark. Real quick before we arrive, I wanted to show you how cool these local little fruit spots are, which you have to stop at any time you're out of the country because the fruit tastes so much better. Three hours later and passing the beautiful Yaco Beach, we made it to our destination, Manuel Antonio. So you guys, while I do my hair, I have to tell you what's been going on. So this was only supposed to be a 3-day trip and so much has happened. First of all, it is so beautiful here. The views are stunning, nice and hot, but definitely you cannot withstand this humidity. I'm talking you need natural hair, natural skin at all times. But my phone stopped working, so right now it is literally in a bowl of rice because I can't figure out why it stopped working. So thank goodness I'm here with so many people that I know. Even thinking about the fact that I almost went to the beach by myself, and we have like, I don't know what you would call him. He's the guy that like manages the villas we're staying in, so I WhatsApp him to pick me up, to drop me off. If we need towels, anything we need, he's like our go-to guy because a lot of people actually don't speak English here. So I was gonna go to the beach by myself, and if my phone would have broken down at the beach the way that it did by myself, I don't even know what I would have done because the roads are so windy here. There's no way to even safely walk back up to the villas that we're staying at. Anyways, hi, no problem. Yeah, you guys should bring like a few plates of it.
World needs to see it.
I know. No, I'm just kidding. By the way, if you guys are watching right now, comment down below 5-minute mark so I can show you love, or comment me where is a place you want to travel to. And just like that, we are back to the villa and it is time for day 4. Not only am I in the beautiful Costa Rica, which is like really minimal lifestyle, but I didn't bring my computer, so I have no way to like Google things, translate, no way to look at maps, no way to like use my phone for texting, for WhatsApp, for getting in contact with my family, no nothing. So I'm learning a simple life right now, to say the least. So here, this is the little walk up. The bathroom goes out to outside. Look out, it is just jungle central. We got some food. Show you guys.
It is so humid, even my camera's fogging up.
Now, real quick, I just wanted to show you guys the villas I stayed at because I love watching this in travel vlogs and just seeing like the ambiance of where people stayed, and it was so beautiful, so I thought I would do a quick little walkthrough since this is where we spent 95% of our time, including where the wedding was. Alright, my loves, thank you so much for watching. Comment down below what you want to see next, and comment where is one place you want to visit this year. I love you guys, and I'll see you very soon for another video, probably a DIY. Mwah!